Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning, and I have a salt day today again. I have an exercise session this morning. I have to go Gasparilla for 9. I'm ready to go. Pack my bags because after that I have another checkup and meal prep session. Not sure what we're gonna make yet, but should be good. The chickens are crowing. Time to get up and leave. So let's go. I also have to do my Water One video because that has to go up ASAP. It's to promote water consumption during the carnival season. Yep. You know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go. What a rainy, gloomy day. Wow. Guys, hope you're safe on the roads. Please be safe on the roads. So I'm heading to my exercise session now. Get fit with Didi, guys. Get fit with me. An hour session, individualized, catered to fit your specific needs. And it's very effective because it's not only catered to you, but it's also very simple things that we're going to do to burn fat. Burn fat! Alrighty guys, I'm finished with my exercise session. It was wonderful. And now I'm going to go by sis and baby boy because the other person canceled. So I'm gonna hang with them for the rest of the morning. Woo! I'm so happy because she's so happy with these sessions so far, and everything's really running smoothly with Shape Me Didi and the weight loss with the program. So it's working out really well, and I'm really happy that patients are happy with the program. So if you guys are interested, let me help you with your lifestyle changes. Little simple things you can do to your everyday life that's gonna make you a lot healthier. A lot. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Why you gotta be so cool in the summertime? Hi guys, it's your girl Didi and welcome to another video about water. So I'm recording my Water One video. Hi guys, I'm into a little errand for sis. She does cake toppers. Go check out her site on Facebook, on Instagram. I'll put the links in the description. And she just wants me to do a little drop off. So I have to say goodbye to the baby boy. Baby. Alrighty guys, I'm on my next session, finally confirmed. Woo! Let's do this. So guys, I'm finished with my session. Woohoo! Finally got to see her. It was a bit difficult, but I understand. The program is very flexible, so it caters for that. We made some oat muffins with banana and chocolate chips. I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. So guys, my video vlog is uploaded on YouTube as well as Facebook. Go check it out, you know what it is. And I also am promoting sleep apnea awareness, so you can check out the links. Check it out. I just have one session to type up from today. That's a revisit checkup, and I'll just send that off before the night is over. So guys, if you're interested in any of my nutrition counseling sessions or the Shape Me Didi weight loss program, please message me on any social media link. Let me help you. It's all about making lifestyle changes to better your health. It doesn't matter if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, if you're overweight, if you have high cholesterol levels, the program can help you with this. And because it's individualized, it's catered to meet your specific needs. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.